Morning student. Now today we will take the revision of some chapters. Measurement. Measurement you already study children. Now what is measurement? Measurement of different units, length, mass and capacity. So the basic unit of length is meter and mass is gram and liter, capacity is liter. So here kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi and millimeter. So from you have to change the unit from one unit to other unit. Convert the following. Children, you know, when you convert the higher unit to the lower unit, you have to multiply, and when you convert the lower unit to the higher unit, you have to divide. Convert the following: 7 kiloliter to deciliter. So here kiloliter is the higher unit and deciliter is the lower unit. So you know children how to convert. You have to remember all these series of units. So kiloliter here and deciliter here. So how many jumps here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and deciliter here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 kiloliter is equal to 10,000 deciliter. (45 centimeter to kilometer). So centimeter is the lower unit and kilometer is the higher unit. So you have to divide centimeter to kilometer. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 lakh kilometer. So when we divide the 45 to the 1 lakh, we will got the 0.00045 kilometer. So here this question children, deciliter. So 4 jump is here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this 1 kiloliter is equal to 10,000 deciliter. So here this one is the chapter from time. So same process you have to follow. From higher to lower unit you have to multiply, and from lower to higher unit you have to divide. But you have to divide from only 60 and multiply. So 10 hour 2 minutes. Here higher unit and this one is the lower unit. You have to change the higher unit to the lower unit. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 10 hour is equal to 10 into 60. So 10 hour is equal to 600 minutes. And minute 2 hours. So minute is the lower unit and hours is the higher unit. So you have to divide from the 60. So 280 divided by 60, you will get the 4 hour and 40 minutes. Add the following: 2 hours 45 minutes, 1 hour 35 minutes. Children, you know you have to plus the minute to minute and hours to hour. So 45 plus 35 will get the 80, and 2 plus 1 3 hours. So children, you know how many minutes in 1 hour? 60 minutes. So you have to minus 60 from the 80. So you will get the 10. So here you will get the 20. This you make the 20 children. So 2 hours 45 minutes and 1 hour 35 minutes is equal to, then you have to borrow the 1 minute from here, 1 hour from here. So 1 you have to minus from here. So children, you have to give the 1 hour to here. So this one is the 3 hour plus 1 hour is equal to 4 hour. 20 minutes here, 20 minutes. So 4 hour 20 minutes. subtraction, 4 hour 45 minutes minus 5 hours 55 minutes, 6 hour 45 minutes and 5 hours 55 minutes. So when you how you minus a 45 is 55 is not divided by 45. So you have to borrow 160 from here, 1 hour from here, 60 minute here. So 45 plus 60 is equal to 105. When you minus 55 by 105, you will get the 50 minute, and here it will 5 hours. So 5 minus 5 is 0 and 105 minus 55 50 minutes. So answer is 50 minutes. Here you can see again children, 2 hours 45 minutes and 1 hour 35 minutes. You have to add this. When you add 45 by 35, you will get the 80, and 2 plus 1 you will get the 3 hours. So only 60 minutes is there. So you have to minus 60 from 80, you will get the 20 minutes, and give the 1 hour to here, because you have to borrow 60 minutes from here. So this one 4 hours 20 minutes. Now find the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter, you know, all the side, the length of all the sides. So in rectangle, the length, opposite sides are equal, length and length, measurement of length is equal, and breadth is equal. So 18 is length and 7 is breadth. So 2 multiply by length plus breadth. So 18 centimeter is length and 7 centimeter is breadth. So when you plus 18 with 7, you will get 25, and when you multiply it 750 centimeter. The unit of perimeter is meter, centimeter. The perimeter of square, all the sides of square is equal. So 4 into side of one, length of one side. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Area of rectangle. Area, the amount of surface. The amount of surface of any object, that is area. Measurement of this here. So here length is 30 and breadth is 30 and length is 50. So the formula of rectangle, length into breadth, 50 into 30, 150 square centimeter. The unit of area is square centimeter, because when we multiply centimeter to centimeter, it will square 2 times. So square means double, 2 times. The area of square, side into side, because all the sides are equal, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, isme 4 square centimeter. Volume, you know, the space covered by any object, the space, length into breadth into height. So here length is 5, breadth is 3 and height is 2 millimeter. So 5 into 3 and 2, 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 13. So here this unit is cubic centimeter. When we multiply millimeter into 3 times, it will 3. So cubic means 3 times. Choose the correct answer. A laptop weight about 4. The weight of laptop is measured in kg, meter and gram. It will measure in kg. So answer is kg. 1 kilometer 25 meter is equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1000 plus 25 will get the 1025 meter. This one is the answer. Telemarks are in the group of 5. Telemark are in the group of 5. The basic unit of length is meter. Define the diagram. What is circle? Circle is a closed curved figure. The radius, what is radius? The distance from the center of the circle to the boundary of the circle, or the circumference of the circle. And line segment, it has the definite length. We cannot extend it, and we can measure it by the ruler or scale. Complete the chart of the favorite color of the student of class 5th. Children, you know how to record this data by tally mark. You have to count the here red, white, black, blue and green. So first you count the red, number of red color, how many students like the red color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 put the tally mark. Children, you know when you put the 4 tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and put 5 tally mark like this and make the group of 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 11. In the same way you count the white here 7. So 5 put 5 tally mark and then 5 and then 2, 7. Black 4 students like the black and blue 5 and 2 plus 7 students and green 4 students. You count the number of students. 40 students are there in the class. And find the average. Children, you know what is average? Average is the value which put the given number of quantities. Average is the value which put the given number of quantities equally. The sum of quantity and the number of quantity, you can do this yourself, plus it and divide by the number of quantities 1, 2 and 3. Draw line, ray, acute angle and straight angle. Acute angle, you know the less than 90 degree and straight angle the opposites. When two rays are placed in the opposite direction, this one is the straight angle. The measurement of straight angle is 180 degree. Okay children? Thank you. Now this class is your completed.